I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making one central Google Doc for the project. This is your hub. Start with a concise header that states scope, owner, start date, and top milestones so everyone knows context. Next, add a table with task, owner, due, and status columns. This gives immediate structure and a place to capture the first actionable items. Once done, assign one person to keep the doc updated and share edit access with the core team to prevent version chaos. Now move into coordination. Convert your table rows into actionable tasks and use comments with it mentions to assign and trigger notifications. Make sure to use consistent headings and bookmarks so people can jump to sections quickly. Internal links reduce scrolling time. If you need calculations or distributed data, link to a Google Sheet and embed progress percentages or checklists directly in the doc. Once updated, refresh shared permissions and add a weekly to finalize. Capture a named version in version history so you can reference the milestone snapshot later. This prevents accidental drift. Add a RASI row to clarify who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed for remaining deliverables. Make sure to lock permissions for stakeholders who should not edit. If conflicting edits or lost content occur, use version history to restore a prior snapshot and resolve disputes with threaded comments. This keeps accountability clear and recovery fast when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.